That sure was refreshing. I would now invite Mr. Aditya Vardhan, second year student at MBA, Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture Development, to tell us how USME actually helped kickstart his entrepreneurial journey.
Hello. Hi, sir. Good morning. And namaskar to everyone. First of all, I'm very happy and honored to have been presented with the opportunity to speak in front of all of you. And I'd like to start with a brief introduction about me so that we put things into retrospect. I studied my mechanical engineering and joined a job for an Indian multinational based out of Pune. And I worked there for a little over 2 years and as a marketing engineer. Everything was good. All was settled. I loved the job. I loved how I was growing in the job. And I could support my family and my needs. So it was all good basically. And that is why it was a comfortable job. But there was always this curiosity and willingness to start my own business and do something of my own and something that I loved. And there was always a lot of ideas, but there was never a clear direction as to where I wanted to go. After thinking thoroughly, I came across this newspaper cutting wherein this new program had been introduced, and I was thrilled. And I chose to turn around my life and applied to this program, and was fortunate enough to get into it, the program of MBA Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture Development. There was always an uncertainty if I would ever get a job after this course, but it also meant that there was an adventure I was going into. So fears, hope, these mixed feelings of ambitions, hope, fears, all accumulated, which made me feel burdened and yet liberated in a way I cannot explain. The design of this program helped me structure my thoughts and create a mindset like an entrepreneur. So before you become one, you have to think like one. And that is what happened in our first year of the course. We got to interact with our mentors and industry experts who guided us, supported us, and motivated us to push forward with our ideas. And a small batch of 15, which was the first batch, sitting right in front of me, had amazing ideas in diverse fields where they would intervene. And the faculty kindled the fire of curiosity in our minds, and we were taught to identify opportunities, analyze market segments, and more importantly, the art of staying with the problem and looking for solution from the perspective of an entrepreneur, an innovator. All of this changed. The first year was amazing. We moved on. And during this process, I was able to identify the botanical sector as my area of intervention. The market for botanicals was booming, and yet the value chain is highly opaque, unorganized, and informal. And so with that problem, I went ahead and started my venture, the Herbalist Company. Moving forward with this idea in July last year, after the lockdown, I started my company, got it all registered, and I was able to close deals close to 4 lakhs and with happy and satisfied customers. So while doing this round with meetings, clients, and go to and fro, there was this realization that as an entrepreneur, I have to become like a one-man army. Everything is on my has to come in my hands. Like the image of Durga ji is one that I always remember when I imagine this. I have like 8 hands and juggling between all the work. It was beautiful. So another thing happened. I was meeting the clients on the way, going to their factories. One such customer was good enough to take me to his manufacturing process. I went ahead, saw the process, and I realized that they were losing a lot of money on energy. Being from an energy background and coming from mechanical sector, I realized that this is another opportunity where I could add value. And so I started another arm of my company, which would help customers to save on their energy costs. And under the same name, of course, but this was mainly related to energy conservation and saving on their utility bills. So, and while doing that, it is again, I would like to mention that our knowledge sharing has resulted in savings on fuel bills of our clients close to 20 lakhs. And we have been able to generate a turnover of 30 lakhs within past 6 months. So the journey has been very exciting, and I cherish all the experiences that have come with it. And I hope to leverage the opportunities provided by USME to propel my business to further heights. To sum up, I would like to thank the government of Delhi and Delhi Technological University, who have initiated such a wonderful program, because we need more such. And I would quote at the last late Mr. Churchill, who said, "Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." So fellas, be courageous and be curious. Dhanyavad.